Hi, this is Ken Goldman with MarineMax Fort Myers, and today I'm pleased to walk you through the 2019 Boston Whaler 260 Vantage dual console. Starting up at the bow, you'll notice the anchor through the stem. Boat has beautiful lines, a large hardtop providing nice coverage from sun. As we walk towards the stern, you'll notice twin swim platforms. The boat is powered by twin Mercury Verado 250 horsepower engines. Note the transom-mounted reboarding ladder and the entrance into the boat through the transom. Continuing on, this boat is both family and fish friendly. You'll notice the large number of rod holders. Lots of seating, including a foldable transom seat, under-deck storage, a large multifunction seat, which I'll demonstrate in a minute, outdoor kitchen area with large pull-out cooler and freshwater sink. The passenger seat folds down to make a sun pad. Nice large head and changing compartment. Very nice helm with digital throttle and shift, Raymarine hybrid touch screen, Fusion stereo, continuing on to the bow, seating for 4 of your closest friends. Access to your windlass, freshwater washdown, nice protection for the windshield, more in-deck storage. For more information, please feel free to contact us at MarineMax Fort Myers. We'd be glad to show you the boat and take you out for a test ride.